Well, since they're so prone to rot, I thought it might be a good idea to give them a wee coat of enamel. So this heat shield on the forward cat here is very annoying rattling. You can see that the bolt here, can you see? I guess there was a washer of sorts on there that's just pulled through. So now I need to extract this bolt, which there's virtually nothing left of, as you can see, and put a washer behind it. So I'm going to heat it, but it's in a tight spot here. I don't know. Let's see. Let me try. Yeah, that'll do.
This hub is not cheap. It was 464 Canadian dollars, but in my experience, by far the best quality one on the market. With respect to the SX4 all-wheel drive rear hubs, you'll notice that Timken look like they've made some changes to the product. Inset there is the original, and you can see that the one I just received, the retaining ring, the positioning ring for the speed sensor that sits just above the encoder on the bearing itself, appears to be coated, or at the very least painted with some kind of coating. Now, I suspect Timken have got some feedback that this retaining ring actually rots out and renders the hub inoperative, of course, because there's no speed sensing.
squared pin to the back side. This is the park brake bracket, park brake cable bracket. So squared pin goes to the back. So for the amateurs like myself, guys, that might not know what I'm talking about, so the two pins are actually slightly different, yeah? This one is circular in cross section, and this one is actually got some flats, either milled or probably just stamped into it, I would think. And this is the aft pin, so this one goes to the back. Unfortunate. So when the wheel's back on here, let me just round out the video here, guys. I'm just gonna rotate the wheel a wee bit. Look how tricky you do. So there's the right rear. Rotate the left. And we can see the left. Yeah, so both wheel speed sensors seem to be reporting. So I'll leave it at that for the night. Getting close on this one. That's it, boys. Cheers. Honestly, I think somebody's adjusted this park brake cable too tight. Take a look. That's too tight. There's only like 3 or 4 clicks. That's too tight. Let's take a turn or two off of that nut there. 10 mil. Full turn. It's a turn and a half. Actually, guys, that's much better. Still a wee bit of drag, but no excessive. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6. Yeah, that's better. Too tight before.